So we got Jerome from Lawnmowers. How did your game go today?
Unfortunately, we lost 1-0 against Klopptomaniacs. Pretty disappointed in how we played, to be honest, because I thought we definitely could have defeated them. They had really well taken shots. That was great, good on them. And then we probably had 6 or 8 chances, a lot of shots today. So pretty disappointing that we didn't get one. I really thought we could have won today. So but that's all good. Good on them. Congrats to them.
All right. Good luck for next week.
Cheers.